Okay guys, so we are starting this cheat day here at the Cracker Barrel. Super excited about this because breakfast food is hands down the best food in the world. Not really sure what we're gonna get, but we are waiting for our menus and we're gonna get something damn tasty.
From scratch. What does scratch mean?
From nothing.
Nada. Oh yeah.
From nada. From scratch, bro. What do you think about going with, Nate?
I don't know, man. It keeps changing. First it was country fried steak, which it still might be. And then there's French toast. I love French toast.
The menu is pretty ginormous. So much to choose from. I think I'm steering towards some pancakes because...
You're so boring, dude.
Dude.
Pancakes? Pancakes is so boring, dude. I'm just kidding.
I want carbs. I want all the carbs. So yeah, I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna get, but I'm definitely gonna get something that is very carb heavy. Just completely changed once this food has arrived. We have so much food right now. I went with, I think it was like the country boy breakfast. So we got ham, we have eggs, hash brown casserole, side of 3 pancakes, cinnamon apples. We also got biscuits and gravy as well as some grits. What do you got, Nate?
Country fried chicken.
Country fried chicken.
And some French toast sticks.
And some French toast. Man, I'm really excited to eat, so let's dig in.
Wonderful, thank you so much.
Great, thank you. Some of these apples. Life just got so much better. Let's get some sweet country ham.
Fried chicken was delicious. I'll definitely be coming back here.
Alright guys, next I'm gonna crush these grits. Actually, I'm gonna take some of this cinnamon from the apples, put it in the grits. So now we have apple cinnamon grits. A little bit of biscuits and gravy action over here. So soft, so doughy, so delicious. What do you think so far, Nate?
Everything is good. I like it. It has that old country taste.
So Nate saved his French toast for last, and I saved my pancakes for last because look at these babies. First bite of these pancakes, and I have not had pancakes since that pancake challenge, so pretty excited about this. Wow, that is damn good. Holy crap. Man. Oh, I'm so excited about life right now. Okay guys, that meal was super amazing. There was not one thing that I could complain about. Everything was tasty. It was still warm when we ate it, and oh man, delicious, delicious. Yeah, so if you guys have never been to Cracker Barrel, it's super cool. They have like a big country store. They got all kinds of stuff, clothing, boots, soda, candy, you name it, they got it. Highly recommend you guys check out Cracker Barrel. This place is great.
Swan.
Oh wow, I feel like a totally different person after eating. Trying to start this vlog was very, very tough. I was like not feeling it at all. I was tired, I was hungry, but now that I got some food in me, I'm feeling good, I'm feeling amazing, I'm ready to take on this day. Okay guys, so if you've been with me for these last 2 cheat days, you know my ritual is, well, our ritual is to get donuts after breakfast, so that's just what we're doing. So we're here at Jupiter Donuts, and we're gonna get some delicious, tasty donuts. Let's go.
Man, you ready? So let's
That's
go
nice.
some donuts, dude. Let's do it.
Jupiter Donuts, out of this world. We'll be the judge of that.
Sure.
How's it going, man? Oh wow, those things look amazing. Oh gosh. Oh man, there's so much to choose from. Oh man. Oh boy. Oh boy. I'm gonna go with a Nutella fill. Do a strawberry. One of the crazy strawberry ones. Yeah, that one's cool. Alright guys, so we are finally ready to eat. It took a little bit to get everything set up, but I am super excited about this. How about you?
Yes, I'm good.
Oh yeah. Alright, so yeah, we have a huge variety here, but I'll be explaining them as we go on. So you want to start with the Fruity Pebble first?
Yes.
So this one is Fruity Pebbles with vanilla frosting. Shit, bro.
We did it too many times in the last video.
It was too fun though.
Pebbles.
Yeah. Bro. Yo. The Fruity Pebbles, wow. That just brought me back to when I was a kid.
It's one of my
Swear to
favorite
God.
cereals.
One is the loneliest number that you'll ever do. Two can be as
Alright guys, next donut we have, this is like a candy bar donut. So this one is Snickers bar, and then Nate's got the Butterfingers. Cheers, mate.
you'll ever do. Two can be as bad as one. It's the loneliest number.
I think I want to go for the Nutella right now.
Get it, man. Get it, man.
Man, this thing's heavy. Alright guys, Nutella donuts. Nutella.
I, right here, have a red velvet donut. I don't know if I've ever had a red velvet. I don't know if I've ever had a red velvet donut.
Yeah, bro.
As bad as one. It's the loneliest number.
That's crazy.
The number one. One is the loneliest number that you'll ever do. Two can be.
Wow. It's like eating peanut butter with a spoon.
What?
Yeah.
Oh,
As bad as one. It's the loneliest number since the number one.
this is a donut that they said this was a French toast donut. I just had French toast earlier, so I'm very curious to know what this tastes like. Every donut place is right next to the street.
Alright guys, so next we have an apple pie donut. Looking pretty scrumptious.
One is the loneliest number that you'll ever do.
The Boston cream. I had to get one just because I'm from Boston.
Fast.
I'm gonna eat my last donut like that. Not this one, this thing will make a mess all over my face. Alright guys, last and final donut. We got a strawberry frosted, with strawberry cream on the top. What you got?
This is a cinnamon roll donut. I like cinnamon rolls. I have a history with cinnamon rolls. Ready?
Cheers, mate.
Fine. Calm down.
Two can be as bad as one. It's the loneliest number since the number one.
Alright guys, Jupiter Donuts is a wrap. Man, I'm full. I think we're just gonna chill for a bit, maybe go for a walk, let some food digest, and then see what we get into next. Okay guys, we worked out, we chilled, I showered, brushed my teeth, I feel like a new man, ready to go, ready to eat my next meal. It is currently, what time is it, Nate?
It's like 5:30.
Yeah, it's about 5:30, so a good amount of time has passed. And again, like all these cheat days, time just flies right by. You know, we tried to get an early start. We didn't end up eating till
late start.
Yeah, I said we tried to get an early start, but ended up being late. We're going to eat now, so meal number, I guess 3, because the donut counts as 2. What are we gonna do?
We're gonna eat some big onion rings. Oh, are you allowed to say? Is that gonna be cut out?
I try to keep the channel PG-13.
Big onion rings.
For all the views. For all the viewers. We have arrived at the destination. The place is called Burgerfi. I've never been here. I'm not sure if Nate has ever been. Have you ever been here, Nate?
I don't think so.
So yeah, neither of us have been here. So it's time for more burgers, and I feel like burgers is like one of my favorite cheat meals besides pizza. Let's get some burgers. Smells good.
It's kind of like spoiled. It's big. This onion ring is. Oh, it's hot.
Yeah, this is massive. Wow. And the thing about YouTube, doing cheat days and food challenges, the food always gets cold because we have to take so many photos and shoot B-roll, the things we do for you guys, but it's so worth it. Oh, it's amazing.
We have these massive onion rings, these giant onion. Oh, let me just hold it so you can get an idea of how big this thing
Actually,
is.
put it next to, this is like a pretty good sized burger.
There it is. The onion ring is as big as the burger.
Yeah,
That's
crazy.
insane. You know, I was just gonna like, no. Can I just
Go for it, man. I want to be like Nate. I'm in Nashville. So we got the, what's it, the CEO burger? CEO burger? Yeah, I believe it's the CEO burger. So it's 2 patties. I got lettuce, tomato.
burger?
There's some garlic aioli. I don't know.
I don't know how to say it either. Hold on. Truffle, aioli.
Got it.
Aioli.
Aioli? Alright, yeah, the A throws me off. Garlic,
Aioli.
Alright, so, yeah, alright, I'm not even gonna wait anymore. I'm just gonna bite into it.
Oh, you forgot to mention that you had pickles in it too. Back up, dude. Unfollow me. Unsubscribe from me.
Yeah, Nate really does not like pickles, so
Disgusting.
I'll try to keep them over here.
It's double. I don't know if I'm saying this correctly, but it's double wagyu beef patty
And brisket.
and brisket.
Yeah, this tastes so good. Oh my gosh.
It's very.
It's not like any regular burger. It definitely has like a unique taste to it.
Oh yeah.
You can tell it's really quality, and it's also hormone-free, no antibiotics, so it's legit stuff.
This CEO burger is a 5 out of 5. I don't know the last one I said 5 out of 5. 5 out of 5. Who challenged that thing? Let's go ahead and bring this over here. The fries kind of remind me of
Five Guys.
Five Guys? I was gonna say In-N-Out. Have you ever had In-N-Out?
Yeah.
Maybe like a mixture breed of like Five Guys / In-N-Out.
They do cook it in peanut oil.
Do they? Is there a difference?
Yeah, that's what Five Guys uses as well.
Oh.
Peanut oil. So it has that like different taste to it.
That's not good. I can't even like fathom how big. It doesn't really look that big on there.
Neither does my arm, but I'm just kidding.
Sure, you don't want
Yeah,
this.
I'm crushing fries, bro.
You're positive.
Positive.
You don't want this magical onion ring.
Crush
It's
it.
magical, bro.
Crush it, bro.
Unfollow me. Unsubscribe.
Get out now.
Get out. Go back to Boston.
Alright, so this is Instagram saying what's up to YouTube. Be sure to follow us, Nate Figs and Nick Dompierre. You guys can see all this stuff early. So.
Those onion rings were magnificent. They were magnificent.
Phenomenal. Hey you guys, take care.
I'll be in a few days.
We are done with Burgerfi. Really, really good food. Amazing. Burgers, onion rings, the fries, everything was super delicious. And I'm not sure what we are going to get into next, but you guys will see very shortly. All right, what's next, Nate? What should we do? Should we go to the Panda?
You wanna go to Panda?
I'm down.
Alright, cool, we do that.
Panda Express.
Go do that.
Get a little snack for the road. Swedish fish.
And we just made it to Panda Express.
Panda. And we get some more candy. Skittles. I think they're bringing me back to life right now.
Are they really?
See.
Come on. There you go, dude. You're welcome. Hopefully they don't.
What are you gonna get, Nate?
None of your business. None of your business. Get on my face.
What a wonderful world.
Alright guys, so Panda Express meal, we have some fried rice, some Szechuan spicy beef, and then we have some orange chicken. What you got, Nate?
Orange chicken, beef and broccoli, and brown rice. Not brown rice, I'm sorry.
Fried rice. Very nice. Let's eat.
What kind of beef is that called? Can I have a beef?
It's like Szechuan or some type of spicy beef.
Oh yeah, I do like that. What, you said a Szechuan beef?
Szechuan?
Yeah, I should have got that.
Kind of wanted to spice it up a bit.
Yeah, I know. I wish I would have got that. Man, I should have just copied you.
Hey man, I eat nothing but the best.
How you doing? Good.
Well, after I finished the burger, I was so just like, that candy like, just kind of woke me up. I feel good now, I'm ready to go.
What a wonderful world.
We gotta pound this because I think they're closed. You guys are closed, right? Yeah, they're closed. Here.
Okay guys, I think that is gonna be a wrap for this full day of cheating with my boy, Mr. Nathan Figueroa. How you feeling?
Good, man.
What do you think of the day?
I want ice cream.
Want ice cream?
Yeah.
Wanna go get some?
No, I don't want any ice cream. We just had this debate.
Yeah. Good day today. Ate tons of good food. And yeah, just overall another fun cheat day in the book. So
We're food babies, man.
yeah, dude, my stomach is so full. So is Nate's.
Oh, dude. I'm done, man.
So yeah, once again, thank you guys for watching, and thank you to all the new subscribers. I'm really stoked. We are growing. We are just keeping on. And yeah, we're just gonna continue to do it. So much love, guys. Have a good night. Peace.
Peace out, bye.
What a wonderful world.